guys, so today I will show you 3 ways on how to use apple cider vinegar for faster hair growth, minimize your hair fall, and also at the same time get super shiny hair by using it. So let's get started. Alright, so the first recipe is turning your regular ACV into a hair growth booster. So the ingredient that I'm adding here is ginger, because ginger can boost blood circulation to the scalp, thus it stimulates hair growth and strengthens the hair root and follicles. Also, it has many fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that can help strengthen the hair strands, which prevents hair loss. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to brew it, and then I'm gonna let it cool, and then I will transfer it in a bowl. And then I will add in 1/2 cup of ACV there. Now the proportion is really up to you and your hair type, but this proportion I find works best for me. Now in there I will also add in about 7 drops of rosemary oil, since we all know that rosemary can improve both hair thickness and hair growth, and it also helps reduces hair loss as well. So in there I'm just gonna mix them all in. And this is what it looks like. I'm just going to transfer that in a spray bottle for easy application. Now, it's best, as I've said, to apply this on clean hair. And also, you guys, you have to be careful that you don't spray it near your eyes because it can really sting. And also make sure that this hits your scalp and not just the top part of your hair. So spray it closely to your head instead. Now, you can also pour it on your head if you all want. Now, if your aim is for hair growth, of course, just focus it on your scalp. But if you want to soften your hair too, you can apply it on the bottom part of your hair, or just let your hair soak in it. My hair looks like noodles in that bowl. So just let that stay for 30 minutes max, and then just simply wash it off. Alright, so for the next recipe, you'll only need 2 ingredients. So of course, you'll need apple cider vinegar and then a conditioner of your choice. Now for the conditioner, you will need to adjust the proportion according to the length and the thickness of your hair. And then to that, I will add in just 2 tablespoons of ACV, and then just mix it and apply this after you shampoo your hair. And then just let it sit in there for about 10 minutes and then wash it off. Alright, now for the third recipe, of course you'll need apple cider vinegar. And to this, I'll add in some honey, because honey can help moisturize dry hair and scalp, reduce hair breakage, restore shine, reduce frizz, and soften the hair. And also to that, I will add in 1/2 of lemon here, because lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps in the production of collagen, and it boosts your hair growth. It also stimulates your hair follicles, which encourages hair growth and can aid in controlling hair loss. And lastly, I will add in almond oil, because this oil can help grow, soften, and strengthen your hair, since it is rich in vitamin B7 or biotin. Alright, so my proportion, I added in 1/2 cup of ACV, 3 tablespoons of honey, and about 5 tablespoons of almond oil. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything in a bowl. Now for this one, you can add in more oils or more honey if your hair is sensitive to ACV. Definitely play around with the proportion to fit and suit your hair type. You can also dilute it with water as well if you want. Now you can apply this to both your hair and scalp. And this is actually great to use if you want to grow out your hair, or if you are experiencing dry scalp, or if you have dandruff, or if you just want to prevent dandruff. This is really great to use on your scalp. But also, as I've said, at the same time, this recipe can really soften and add shine to your hair if you choose to put it all over your hair, which is the thing that I'm doing here. So with this one, you can leave this on your hair for 15 minutes max, and then just simply wash it off. Now, I love the result whenever I use one of these recipes, just because I noticed that it really adds extra shine and luster to the hair. It can also make your hair butter soft too, and I really like how this makes your scalp very clean, smooth, and moisturized. And these recipes can be both beneficial for the health of your hair and scalp. Now, I have been using ACV for a long time now, and this year I have been experimenting, adding in more ingredients to it, and I always like the outcome whenever I use one of these recipes. Alright, so that is it. I hope you all liked this video, and once again, if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments down below, how are you guys using ACV on your hair, if you are an avid user of this. And once again, if you all found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!